Let's get it. Drop. I did decent compared to what I did before. When y'all see that first run, you're gonna be like, what the hell? I think the first 2 runs, it was trash. But now, I'm gonna move to Glock 45 after shooting this. I think I did okay on this one. Not too good, but there's room for improvement. I'm gonna start dry firing at the house like I've been supposed to be doing. There's room for improvement on that. Competition, this would always be my second mag that I switch to, because this one will be faster to pull out the gun if it doesn't fall out, just like that. All right, let's go. Ready, set, let's get it. Ooh, the dot's not on. What a fail. Yeah, we filming all these fails too, bro. It be like that sometimes, man. Don't judge me. We ain't losing no ammo out here, boy. Hell no, we paid for this, boy. That's 25 cents worth of lost ammo right there. We ain't doing that. Well, now it's like 75 cents, really. The price is going up, boy. Double check, boy. Alright. Ready, set, let's get it. Ooh, that was nice and smooth. See what I'm saying? When I can remove that mag, it feels a lot smoother, bro. Told that you got to carry out. Out of all that shooting, I really only missed like these, you know, this was a little off, but this, and that was all Glock 45, I believe. That's nasty. Or did I do one with the Glock 19 when I switched? I don't know. I gotta look back on the video. I have no idea, but that's nice. And I ain't shooting a minute, so I'm so happy with that.